Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful design, very stunning videos we have to share with newly attractive videos I have shared with you. I have shared with newly attractive things of crochet skirts ideas we have to use with newly attractive videos and more creative videos and more stunning designs. And just looking say some things for attractive things, and obviously we have to share with attractive skirts are using different patterns, different things, and more creative videos. And we'll be connected and just say some things for attractive things for newly patterns of different colors, different design, different perfective videos. Keep watching, stay connected. More attractive videos, you look very gorgeous designs and more fabulous videos. This is so amazing video. This is gorgeous designs I have shared with you. I have shared with newly attractive videos and more creative designs. You look so stunning, you look people gorgeous, and stay will be amazing videos of skirts are used in different things, different designs, and different perfective videos. You love these design, and so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification, all subscribers, all new members. Stay will be amazing videos and more creative and stunning videos. So I will keep more fabulous videos. You have to share with newly designs, and so let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.